Hi everybody, welcome back. So, in my first video, I did a making a UK account, and that video didn't really get anywhere. And when I got back from school, I went on my computer and I looked at the video to see if it had finished uploading, and it did. It finished uploading at I have no idea what time. I was at school. Anyways, and there was this really nice comment on it. And I will be doing shout out of the day. So please go and comment a nice thing, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also I'm just looking up my name, sorry, not my backup. Well, my UK anyways. Oh yeah, and in that last video I said Pony Lover 10-2. That was a friend pranking me. And I did warn her if she didn't tell me that was her, I was gonna post it. And I ended up posting it. So don't worry, don't go hating on anybody. Please. If there's any annoying people in my videos, unless I say go and report them or something, don't hate on them because it might be one of my friends pranking me. Me and my friends love to prank each other. I'm to check my friends online, sorry. I am gonna unfriend Holy Nova soon. Okay. I need to write my video recording. Everyone always wants to know if I'm recording. The girl blocked me. She does my YouTube until us nicely to please stop messaging me. Because I used to have this YouTube account and it got deleted. I do not know why. Recording. Say hi. Okay. Okay, this girl's so lucky. It's Piggy Turtle. Go at her. She got D-packs. Oh my god. He is in year 6. Okay, let me show you our text. No, I don't have time. Wait, I think. Okay. Cool boy is always. Let me take out this account first. Whatever, I accept everybody. He seems happy with his girlfriend. Molly just got to back up. I think she watches Lily Truscott. Wait, I thought Lily Truscott, you're a good YouTuber. Sorry, you cannot be friends. Error. What? It says I have one friend. What? Wait there. Oh yeah, let me. Okay. I don't know why I'm recording. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be showing you something. So I need to show you some text messages that people have been sending me. Okay. Where is he? Me and him used to be best friends when I was newbie. Why the hell? He was on my account. Oh yeah, well I got pineapple shades. Wait, I want to see some of our really old texts. I want to see how newbie I was. She's a GF. I'm so happy for you. Oh my god, I had a massive crush on him. What? He's your close. Yeah, we used to be best friends. Anyway, let me put the messages. Don't trust him. Did he block me? Hi. Don't say your name. I'm Wreck. She's in my class, by the way. Yay. Okay. Let me just make sure she sees. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't know why. Why is that? I said, okay, this is just like yesterday or something. I can't remember. But it's, she really wanted a drip top item. Go send her a drip top. Oh, look. She doesn't have enough money. Oh my god. She's so pretty though. Ah, she said hi. Hi, I'm a I told them to send you their items. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, okay. You got. She's so nice. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Mm. Yeah. I'm so happy that she's happy. Alright, by the way, I just wanted to see you. So, are you joking or did you tell fans? I did. By the way, guys, it's on UK, please. I mean, America. Go send her the stuff. I used to be so newbie, and she literally replied to me, and oh, she's so just you're nice, and you there. How do you spell that? There's well, I don't know. Oh my god! Why is it? Deserve. I don't even know how you spell it. Okay. By the way, I do really like love XD. Look, she said hi. I'm level 60 because she said I have to be level 10. Oh, she's so nice. Okay. Love you too. Okay. Please go send her items. Please. She was like really rude to me. No, I need to get out my sight. I need to like say hi back, guys. They say hi back. She said hi, guys. So everyone who's watching this, please. She's like, no, but you don't understand how nice she is. Did Vicky block me? Sorry, I text so many people. Oh, she didn't. This is my account. Yeah, I gave her a lot of gifts. Go at it. I'm not getting VIP on that, so you guys are. If you want me to have VIP on that account, one of you guys is gonna have to send it because I'm not buying VIP on that account. Let's go. Relax. I'm Rack. Shh. Oh my god. I'm recording. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. Wait there. Okay. Someone keeps on messaging me, and like, My two friends are going wild. This guy over here, Wolfgang, Reese's just like, everything's chilly. Everything's cute. So what? I have like probably a bigger one. What? You can't find my channel? Oh my god. I need to go on Skype. What the hell? Oh god, I cannot show you this. Okay, I just did part of the video, but I forgot. So you can't find my channel. What is it? Sorry guys, that's what I'm cutting on. It's not letting me type, Millie. This is annoying me. It just won't let me type. Okay guys, what is going on? What? Anyway, I need to end the video now, Millie. Okay guys, thank you for watching me answering everyone's messages. Shush! Anyway, thank you for watching answering everyone's messages. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye guys. She said bye. Bye.